In this video, I will show you how to unlink Instagram from Facebook. The steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. So first of all, after you open your Facebook app, now tap on this menu at the top right side. After you tap on this menu at the top right side, scroll to down and go to settings and privacy. Go to settings. Now tap on this section, see more in account center, tap on it. Scroll to down and tap on this account. So under this account, as you can see now you can be able to see your Instagram and your Facebook are connected. So in order for you to unlink your Instagram from Facebook, so tap on this Instagram, tap on this remove button beside the Instagram. So tap on this first option, remove account. So tap on this section, continue. So as you can see now, tap on this section, yes, remove. So by tapping on this section now, I can be able now to remove my Instagram from my Facebook. That's it guys on how to unlink Instagram from Facebook. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.